Yeah. It's your boy Maserati JT from Freeway Times. Notice 2 times on the Son of Solomon. Finna go hang out with my fellow brothers, the Sons of Light, off up in Hanford. It's going down tonight. The 805, the Iron Hogs, everybody coming out tonight. So this is what we out here doing. You feel me? And man, we finna show y'all what this bike like back. Bakersfield, California. You dig? A shout out to all the Sons of Solomon all across the nation. Vegas, the Western, the Eastern. Peace. We out. We in the mix.
What? We back. JT on his way. But we back. We outside. You feel me? We outside. Look at this beautiful pool. Go get all these bikes for y'all. So y'all can look at these bikes rolling in. Yeah, man, it's a function tonight, man. No, he already said. He said, we was at the gas station. He said, I ain't that shit got me fucked up. Get these bikes rolling in, man. There's a movie tonight, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'm coming through on the Harley pretty soon. Coming through, man. I'm gonna come through on one. Bikes rolling in. Yeah, man, it's a movie. Yep. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to change. Okay, there we go. Get y'all some light. Look at these bikes, man. That's what we do out here in Bakersfield. We in Hanford right now, doing the big. I know y'all seen this one already on the page. I know y'all seen this one. Yeah, but that's the bikes. 3-wheeler. I'm trying to get one of those. My goal is to get one of those. We out here, man. My goal right here to get one of these slingshot and live just like this. We coming. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Freeway Ties, like I said, you hear me? Get these bikes over here. New CVO. I put up on this, y'all. Now I'm just playing. Yeah, we outside. Look at this one right here. This is bad. I like this. Take y'all slow through this. It's bad right here. I like this. This is bad. This is bad. Gotta get the paint on here. This is bad. I ain't never seen no color like this, y'all. Come on now. I think this the only one in the city that got this right here. Let me know in the comments, man. Am I lying or what? But this might be the one, the only one that's in the city right now. Let me know if I'm lying or anything. Here come these bikes right now, bro. Now I'm gonna get them from y'all. Get these bikes rolling in, man. man. We out here. All these Benzes. This right here. This is bad right here. I want him. Man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man, so I come buy this one off this man right here. This is bad right here. What? Cadillac? Come on now. Stop playing. This is bad. Let me get him. I'm gonna have the bass in the truck hitting hard. Man, this is bad right here. Man. Y'all just don't know. If I had this right here, I'll shit on Bakersfield. Come through every day clean. Subs hitting hard. What? Man, check out this interior, man. Man, this is crazy. Man. If this YouTube blow up, man, I'm coming to buy this. I'm coming to buy this. Me and JT, we coming. We gonna have the top down every day. We coming. Man, this is bad right here. Man, this is bad. I like this paint. Man, like I said, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. So we come back and buy this. It's a movie tonight. Like I said, it's a movie tonight. This is bad. Man. Well, yeah, man, I'm gonna take y'all back to these bikes. It's rolling in. It's a movie. We outside. Bakersfield. He got them cams in his bike. I like that. He got them cams in his bike. But I'm gonna catch y'all when JT get here. I'm gone.
It's your boy Maserati, JT from Freeway Ties. Right now I'm on a bike set with my bros and sisters. Now, to give you my code name to my bike set name, first of all, I'm a charter member out of Bakersfield, California, for the Sons of Solomon. We are the first. We made history in the state of California of being Prince All Masons. Love it. So that being said, we fuck with everybody. If you fuck with us, we fuck with y'all. But we out here tonight. We chilling in Hanford, California, with the Sons of Light. With Dollar building. Check it out, folks. You know, we going in, we by the pool. I can take y'all to the court side. You know, we play basketball out here when we come out here on the bike set, race bikes, and shit, we do it all. We're gonna take you a walk through, you know what I'm saying? And this is how we party. You know, you can see the inside of all this shit. Yeah, it's some BMF shit, exclusive shit. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna pass this on to my son and let him give y'all a walkthrough of the inside, the man's garage. Yeah. I'm cool, bro. I don't know. Come off up in here, bro. Outside. Gonna get the car over there. Look at the people up there. For your words. right here. We're gonna get everybody at the table. Get all of them. Get everybody. Line them up. Look at all shit. Look at sexy right here. Look at sexy. You know what I'm saying? That's the 805 shit. 805 shit, man. Son that shit. Son that shit. You know, look. This my boy Cali, man. Cali fine this motherfucker. So y'all get that shit right. Turn around. That's that 5, man. That's that Bakersfield shit. We travel from the west to the east. Yeah, west to the east, or the east to the west. That is right. In the back, making drinks, man. Come on, let's go up here. See, this is what real bosses do. Mother chapter, look at the boss. That's Dollar right there, man, doing this shit. You feel me? That's right. It's going down. You know what I mean? That's how we do it out here, man. Up in Cali, man. We out here having fun, man, in Cali, man. That's what we do. Check it out. Yeah. That's all day. You know? That's what it is. Look at it. That's what it is, though. That's what we get down out here, man. So, we're gonna give y'all a little tour of some other shit later, and it's going down. So, your boy 2 times is out, man. So, deuces. It's your boy 2 times. I'm out here in the motherfucking building in Hanford, and look what they got out here. This shit going up on YouTube. See, when you come to Cali, you get this shit. Not that Florida shit. You get this Cali shit. That's what that Cali shit. Look at that. Look, take a picture of them beautiful ladies right there. They finna go up. That's right. Beautiful. So you know what I mean? It's your boy, man. That's it. That's what's going on. Yeah, come on, man. Let's take a walk, man. Through here, let's check out these bikes, man. These beautiful ladies right here in California, man. It's going down. Say your name, baby. Say your name in here.
We're sisters.
That's right.
I'm Yara.
Yes.
And they gonna follow Freeway Ties. They're gonna follow Freeway Ties.
Yes.
Follow Freeway Ties.
Follow Freeway Ties. Follow Freeway Ties.
All the time.
Follow Freeway Ties.
Follow Freeway Ties.
It's your
All the
boy,
time.
Maserati JT. Follow that right now, sweetie. Yeah. Yeah, we out here working. You know what I mean? Motherfuckers working on bikes right here. We getting it all together. You know what I mean? It's a whole lot of Freeway Ties shit. This is not no cap. You know what I mean? So while we out here doing what we do, you know what I mean? That's what it is. You know? We out here. We in the mix. You know what I mean? Had to bring the lights up, but you know, we're gonna give a little tour of all these different little old bikes and get that paint on there. Get that paint on that thing right there. Like that blue thing with that candy, huh? You know what I'm saying? Hey, don't tell nobody, y'all. It's your boy. I'm in the mix. And you see 2 times coming. He on that freeway, traveling on that 10, on that 40, on that interstate. Nationwide, baby. It's that 5, that Bakersfield shit. I gotta cut this real quick because they was bad to the motherfucker.